Welcome to A Minute
Oh!
with Muller. This has come out of nowhere. I didn't even think I was going to make a video today or tonight. But I've had a shitty day. That's probably one of the worst days in a while. The emotional roller coaster that I was on today. From being angry to sad to crying to then being happy again. Then to being angry and sad. It's been crazy. But I want to share with you what I did to get through it. There's a couple of the things that I've learned. The most important thing I did today was pray. I prayed so much and it worked. It really did. It got me out. It grounded me. It was beautiful. The second thing I did was, I'm lucky enough to have, Sharp's mad hair. I'm lucky enough to have three of the best kids in the world, and I asked for a lot of hugs. Every time I saw them, I was just like, hugs, 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 hugs. And I just kept asking for hugs. Because what more could you want than God, love, and hugs? The third thing I did was, I got some mad food. I don't know if I should share it with you guys, because we're kind of going to be advertising. Should we do it really quickly? Get some mad food into you, like, I don't know, like some mad... What are you doing? He's doing finger licking good because it's KFC.
It's finger licking good.
Now, this is on the run. You can tell the kids are in their pajamas, but they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool pajamas. Up the mighty dragons!
Oh yeah!
Woo! Woo! Anyway, pray, guys. Ask for hugs, because sometimes people just don't know that you're upset. And maybe get some good food in you, and hopefully that helps. Like, subscribe, do what you got to do.
Bye,
Peace
Casey.
out.
See ya.
Bye!